What up, peoples? You know what it is, your boy Xavior Spade back with another video. Today we're going to be looking at some of my fave cards for 2021 because, I don't know, I just want to talk about it. And that's that. So there. Today we're going to be looking at some of my favorite cards. The first deck we're going to talk about is a deck by my friend 𝗏𝗏𝗡𝗏 and his company 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏. 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 is his company. It's such an awesome idea. And these are the cards right here. The 𝗦𝗧𝗥𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏. I don't know. It's some kind of coffee thing. I honestly don't know how to say the name. But the cards are sick. I believe they're printed by 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏. These have something unique that I've never seen on the deck before. So, of course, we have the cards, and there's Mr. Bo, naked as can be. And I'm in the deck too, along with some friends. That's Nick over there. There's me. And so on and so forth. And it's all like coffee themed. You can see like coffee stains on the cards and stuff. Done really well. But here's where the cards really shine, literally. Look at that. Shwing. Super, super shiny. Metal foil. Foil printing. I don't know about metal foil. But they look so nice. And they actually feel really good considering there's all this foil on the edges. They move well, they feel well, they just feel like a regular deck of cards, but they're super snazzy to look at. But here's the kicker. Right here, you see it says rub to release. And check this out. This is actually scratch and sniff, right? It smells like coffee. He's got a box of coffee cards that smells like coffee. And I just think it's dope. So this is one of my favorite cards right here by my boy 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏. If the links are available for any of these cards, they will be in the description below. So you can get some of your own if you like them. But this is one of my favorite cards. I think they came out last year, but I don't care. Not much happened last year anyway, right? So my next card's going to give just a little spin. Bam, just like that. The DMC Elites. Now, if you don't know about these cards, this is, I believe, one of the first editions. But they have something very special about them that a lot of people may or may not know. These are the ones that I end up getting a whole lot of, the green ones. And then they came out with the red ones and the alphas. And the alphas are basically letters. So you could do a bunch of effects with the name spelling and things like that. Yes and no. All in the blue ones, the alphas. So these are some of my favorite cards to walk around with. The secret that they hold allows them to do some really cool things, and the way that it's done is also really cool. Like once you see it, you can't unsee it anymore. It's just that's just the way it is. So check these out. He has some other cards out, I think like Card Shark and stuff like that. I've never played with those. These are the only ones I've ever used, and I like them a lot. I have a stockpile of these because I like them so much. So DMC, good job, bro. The homie. I hope you're doing well. And you guys should check out the DMC Elite. And then we're gonna move on to the last deck for 2021 and beyond, and that is. That's right, the Magic Flicks. I'm just messing with you. These cards. They're actually my cards, the Dead Hands. I have here two different ones. I have ones with a seal on it, ones without. These are the hologram ones. The Hollow Edge, which I kind of wore out a little bit. They're usually much nicer, but I use these a lot. And then these are the standard ones. And these are mine. These are the cards that I put out. And it's kind of surreal that I did. But here they are. The Cardinos. And if you'd like to get yours, you can go to 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏. The link will be in the description below. And if you want to get the hologram or the silver gilded edge, we now sell those individually as well. You don't have to get a pack, a brick, or whatever what was going on before. You can just get the cards direct. So there you go. Some of my favorite cards, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Check out the links in the description below. It just helps me out. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you guys in the next Uno. 1.
I'm a scrub, but you still love me, you love me. Even though I don't make no money, you've been there when the times get ugly. I'm a scrub, but you still love me, you love me. I'm a scrub, but you still love me, you love me. Even though I don't make no money, you've been there when the times get ugly.